Yeah, hi friends. Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to this video. This is very interesting video. In this video, we are just going to discuss about the future of the React, which is activity component. Why this activity component is very important for in a project. And now this time we mostly use this activity component in our project. What is the key feature of the activity component and how this activity component preserve the child component state. So all these things we will discuss in this video. If you are new in our channel, do like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Let's start. We have a toggle button in the card component. We have a toggle button. So when we click it, toggle, there is an increase and decrease button, and as we will increase or decrease, the count is getting increase or decrease. And we have an input, so we can also input. And once we will toggle this and toggle on, then you can see the preserve of the state getting restart. So it is initialized with the 1, and the input is also input data is also getting to restart, so it's getting empty. So why this is happening? So what is the use case of this activity component? How can we do it? We have a state, so this is in a is visible state, and there is a toggle button, and we have set the on and off, and there is a component is visible, so this visible component will take place. And there is a count state over there, decrease button and increase button, and the count is there. There is an input also. So as we are going to increase, it is getting increased, and as we are also going to input the data, and we are just going to toggle off on, then it is getting restart. The initial value is getting set. So why this is happening out, and how we can preserve this state using the activity component? Firstly, we have to use the activity component and wrap this activity component. So there is an attribute, that is mode is visible, then visible, if not then hidden. Okay, then we are going to remove this condition. So then we have to import this activity component from the React. As soon as we will do, then we are going to increase the count, and also like filling the input data. As we are going to toggle off, toggle in, then you can see the data is preserved. So this how we can use the activity component for the persistent the child component of state. Hope you get something from this video. If you get something from this video, do like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.